Welcome guys, welcome to another video, and today it's going to be a little different than the usual book review kind of video. I've just built another little temporary shelf to add to my bookcase, and as you can see I've got books piled up at the top of this shelf here. So I'm just going to take these off slowly, one at a time. As you can see, a lot of really nice thick books. These are my accounting textbooks, accounting tax and so on. So let's get them off one by one and neatly, and then as I go through them, as you can see, I've got quite a bit here. It's like more than a shelf's worth of books that are stacked on top here. So got some with some nice ribbon bookmarks and so on, some nice hardcovers, and these are story collections, and in these bottom fours are some asterisks and obliques hardcover collections that I'll take you through a bit later in future videos. Okay, there you go. As you can see, the bookshelf is not complete. Let's check there's no dust on here, and here we go. Got this new shelf. As you can see, it's just a shell at the moment. I'll build a backboard and stuff in later. Let's try to line this up neatly with the edges. As you can see, sometimes you can barely tell that it's just separate pieces, and just align the middles up. That's the more important bit. Let's turn them around. It doesn't seem to fit this way. Here we go. Now line the middles up, line the edges best we can, and there you go. Just the backboard that's missing, as you can see. Okay, so let's get the back a bit, line that nicely, this edge to edge, and let's check the shelf doesn't move, but steady, nice and steady. Yes, there we go. Make sure that all these books on, you see the top shelf will be a bit loose at the moment, but once I get the books on, yeah, won't have any problems. So yeah, let's get these books back on, and let's see if they can fit on here. And okay, just put out a shot at the top there. I've got some more space for another bookshelf, another shelf actually, to add to the bookshelf. So okay, let's line the asterisks up in a different way. Let's see best way we can put these in, and let's stack them up one on top of the other, and let's see how we go. You guys, as you can see, there's limited space here in terms of books versus bookshelves. So if you guys have another way that I could arrange these, just let me know in the comments. Got a lot of older secondhand books here, and a lot of them I haven't read, so as I'm gonna go through them, obviously I'm gonna just cover them in future videos with you. So we've got a few thick paperbacks here. Just line them up one on top of the other, use as much of the space as I can, and as you can see, it's lining up pretty much as it was before. So I using up much of the space, and any of these extra books I had lying around on my, well, all over the place actually, they now going to go onto the bookshelf. So doesn't look very neat. So as I said, we're going to try to line them up better in future. Just make them bookshelf look a bit prettier. Add more shelves to the bookshelf, so they're not as congested. And yeah, as you can see, it's fitting in quite nicely there, so should be able to get all the books in. All that were on top of the bookshelf now fit in the shelf. As you can see, quite a high shelf, quite a good one, quite a good shelf. So we just got a few more books. Let's see if we can squeeze them into this section here. It just makes it, yes. So we'll just put these in here. These are of a similar width, so they go right on top there, all fit in. And yeah, just the last bit there goes in, and the bookshelf nice and set. Just these two more. Yeah, perfect. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you again in future videos.